Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nimble Made channel. Today we're diving into a crucial accessory that every stylish man should master, the watch. Watches aren't just about telling time, they're a statement piece that can elevate any outfit. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right watch. There are various types to consider, each serving different purposes. For formal occasions, a sleek dress watch like this works wonders, while a rugged sports watch is perfect for more casual settings. Now, let's go into sizing and fit. A watch should sit comfortably on your wrist without sliding around. Use the one finger rule. You should be able to fit one finger snugly between the watch strap and your wrist. If your watch has a metal band, make sure it's adjusted to fit securely. If you have a smaller wrist, 38mm watches may be the best size for you. We have a full guide in the description where we reviewed our best 38mm watches. Matching your watch to the occasion is key. A classic leather strap watch like this pairs beautifully with business attire, while a more casual metal or nylon strap watch complements a laid-back weekend look. I love pairing a more formal watch with a crisp white dress shirt. These slim-fit shirts fit perfectly off the rack for slim guys. Let's talk about styles and materials. From minimalist designs to intricate chronographs, there's a watch style for every taste. Materials like leather exude elegance, while stainless steel or titanium offer durability and a modern aesthetic. Taking care of your watch ensures it stays looking sharp. Clean your watch regularly with a soft cloth to avoid dirt buildup and store it properly when not in use. This simple maintenance routine will keep your watch looking its best for years to come. That wraps up our guide on how to wear a watch. Remember, finding the right watch isn't just about telling time, it's about making a statement. Experiment with different styles and find what works best for your personal style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Shop these shirts and accessories with the link in the description down below.